Hi, in today's video we are going to be taking you to the Secrets Playa Mujeres and Dreams Playa Mujeres resort complex in the Cancun area of Mexico. We will show you both resorts, talk about the food, talk about the service, the layout, and what our overall impressions were of Secrets and Dreams Playa Mujeres as opposed to other Secrets and Dreams resorts we've also been to. So stick around and come join us. Thank you for watching. This is Bill, and you are on the Travel Beat with Angela and Bill, your source for all things travel. As you may know, I am a retired New York City police officer, and myself and several of our friends prefer to travel and make good memories on a bad occasion. So we decided to go to Secrets Playa Mujeres in the Cancun area of Mexico. Secrets and Dreams Playa Mujeres are located in a gated community a little north of the hotel zone in Cancun, about a half-an-hour shuttle ride from the Cancun airport in the opposite direction of the Riviera Maya region. The complex is very large. There is a building up by the entrance that acts as your registration area. Restaurants and bars are also located up in that area. Angela and I had a ocean view junior suite in the preferred club area. We had an absolutely amazing view of both the entire pool area and the water, and we also have views of entertainment that was going on Mexican night, which you'll see videos of later on. Our first impressions were that the resort, while a little less luxurious than some other ones, was definitely more lively and entertaining. This is a very special picture of our friends. We had an absolutely amazing time, again making a good memory from a very bad anniversary. The secret side of the resort is adults only. Dreams, which is an adjacent complex, it's walkable by the beach, or they have golf carts that will take you there, welcomes all ages, it's family friendly. Now adults can use either facilities, either pools, beaches, and the restaurants at either resort. Obviously children are only allowed to stay on the Dreams resort and cannot use the facilities at the Secrets adult only property. Dining overall was very good. For the most part, we really enjoyed the restaurants, and we did really appreciate having the ability to eat at both Secrets and Dreams resorts. Our favorite restaurant of the week was probably Gaucho Grill, which is a Brazilian steakhouse where they bring around trays of meat and you eat until you're stuffed. We enjoyed it so much we actually ate there twice. We also ate in the French restaurant, the buffets several times for our breakfast, which was excellent. And we also ate in the Mexican restaurant on the Secrets property. Quite honestly, we haven't been huge fans of the Mexican food at the Secrets resorts, regardless of where they are for whatever reason. They may be very good, it's just not up to what we prefer in our Mexican food. The layout of the resorts is a little spread out. As I said, when you have a bus that brings you up to the front entrance, there is a reception area. The reception area doesn't quite have the wow factor that some of the other resorts like Secrets Royal Beach and Secrets Cap Cana have, but it serves the purpose, and it's a rather smaller reception area that you won't spend much time in. You can walk down from the main area to the rooms and the beach and pool area. It is a rather hilly walk. It's doable. It's probably about a 10 or 15 minute walk. It's nice. If it's cool, if it's hot, probably not. They do have golf carts that run regularly that go from the main area, which has the restaurants, to the Secrets Resort, and also back and forth to the entrance for Dreams. So that's really never a problem. And they do have umbrellas all over that you won't be getting wet no matter where you go. If you stayed at Secrets or Dreams properties, or any resort for that matter, Please let us know your thoughts on the food in the comments below. I'm always interested to hear other people's opinions on dining options, as they're so individualized. One of the other restaurants we went to with our group was the teppanyaki. And again, I will ask you what the difference between teppanyaki and hibachi is. But I digress. The show at this one was excellent. We just returned from Secrets Royal Beach, and quite honestly, the teppanyaki show was a little lacking. The one at Playa Mujeres was excellent. They did the, as you can see, they're doing the volcano, which is always a lot of fun. He really had a lot of fun with the people. The food was excellent. It was a little difficult to get a reservation for. That's one of them you absolutely need a reservation for, and that's pretty much any cruise ship or resort you go to if you want to have the teppanyaki show itself. Like most all-inclusive resorts we've gone to, most of the daily activities revolve around either the beach area or the pool, or a combination of both. At the main pool at the Secrets Resort, there was always a lot of things going on. There was volleyball, water aerobics, there was different games, there was even a surf contest, as you can see here, them getting ready for. Somebody would get on a surfboard and they'd have a rope that they would tie to the surfboard, and people would try to stay on as they dragged them across the pool, which was quite a bit of fun. Definitely a lot of fun to watch, especially people trying to balance themselves on a surfboard where they are at a resort where all the alcohol is included. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button for us, please. And if you're enjoying content like this, please subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of our updates. Angela and I have a lot of plans in the future, be it vlogging from cruise ships or resorts, providing some travel news, and also continuing on with reviews of various all-inclusive resorts, including ones in the Caribbean, Rio, Secrets, Dreams, Iberostar, many other resorts we've been to and plan on going to. Now, the gentleman here about to get on the surfboard's name was Lance, and the fact that I remember this 9 months later is absolutely amazing. Lance was kind of the unofficial mayor of Secrets the week we were there. Everybody knew him, everybody knew his name. Quite frankly, the fact that he could stand up on a surfboard amazed all of us. Lance was a great guy, and he actually did make it. The bartenders and staff, as they are at pretty much all Secrets resorts, were excellent. Your drink never went empty. You had plenty of food. They were very accommodating. Anything you needed, they took care of. We really enjoy the service at all-inclusive resorts. We do it on cruises as well. That's probably part of the reason why we travel so much, is we really enjoy meeting people from other places, and also just the level of service that you get from people in these types of places is just second to none. And that brings us to the next point, which is the people at the resorts. People are always on vacation, much more relaxed, much different than they often are, more outgoing. For whatever reason, there were a ton of people from Texas at this resort. If you are from Texas, shout it out in the comments. We are from New York originally, and we live in Florida now. And here you go, Lance again somehow is helping the bartender and showing him how to line the shots up to get it perfectly right. He's going to show him what to do. Night times after dinner was spent either at the show, which was going on up at the area where the restaurants and clubs were, or the sports bar. As you see here is a little video of the sports bar area. It's fairly small, but it's functional. They show different sporting events live from there, and they also have some food. This is a view from the second floor area of where the restaurants are, overlooking the entire complex with Dreams directly ahead of you and some swings. This is from the bottom of the stairs looking at the restaurants. Again, you had to take a golf cart over to this area, which came very frequently, so there was no issue. One of the fun nights they had going on was Mexican night. They prepared for that the entire day, setting up elaborate sets and stages and hanging decorations. They had various Mexican food and entertainment, including mariachi bands. It was excellent. We actually ate at Dreams that night, but we came back. It was a lot of fun just watching the show, and we were actually able to watch the show from our balcony later on, and we really enjoyed it. We promised you some footage of the Dreams Resort and our thoughts on that, and here we are. One of the days we spent over at Dreams, going through the various pools. It is by size larger than Secrets Resort. They had multiple pools. This was one of our favorite areas, the Grotto Bar. It's a pool area and a swim-up bar that you kind of have to go through, as you see, a waterfall to get into. And when you get to the swim-up bar, there are tables and they serve drinks right there. As you can see, that was kind of a pretty cool hangout for all of our friends and us. Like I said, we spent the day at Dreams. We ate lunch there. Lunch was excellent. There was an iguana that was kind of begging for some food, but it was really fun. And as you can see, they have a kids area. It's a fairly large resort, so it's actually easy to kind of get turned around and lose your bearings and get lost there. Even though it's a smaller area, there's different pathways that kind of it can be a little confusing. They also have a lazy river, which we went on, and that was very nice and relaxing, kind of back in the corner. And then also a water slide area. Quite honestly, we were having so much fun at Dreams, I didn't get an opportunity to go inside and check out the lobby area. My apologies for that. Next time we go back, we'll definitely have to do that. But again, we just had an absolutely amazing time with friends at both Secrets and Dreams resorts. It was just what the doctor ordered during that week.
Holy shit! That was awesome. I think I can. Yeah! Woo! Wow! That was awesome.
We also spent a day at Isla Mujeres, kind of renting golf carts and checking around the island. I'll be putting another video up on that, and there's also a video of the room that we stayed in at the resort. The resort was absolutely beautiful, and we had a great time. But the most important part about that week, and the most important part about travel to us in general, is just really enjoying each other and enjoying the company and having some good, relaxing time together. We were so blessed to have such great friends and to be able to do as much traveling as we've been doing. We welcome your comments in the comments section below. Please tell us what you think of this resort and if you've ever stayed there. And also, please give this video a like, and again, subscribe if you enjoy this content. Again, thank you so much. On behalf of Angela, come join us on our next adventure.